there was one question to Pehli Pichu tha. Okay, this is Ariba Qureshi. She is saying, will Imad work in Bollywood if he ever gets any chance?
I think बहुत ही अब ये hypothetical सब question हो चुका है. They don't respect us, so we don't have to be showing कि we want to work with you. If you don't give us respect, we don't give you respect also. It's as simple as that. If you don't give our cricketers respect, if you don't give our musicians respect, actors respect, तो हमें भी कोई जरूरत नहीं आप लोगों को respect देने की. So absolutely, you have to go where you welcome, where you given respect. So if it's done with respect, if it's done with proper reciprocation, why not? क्यों नहीं?
Bilkul. Okay. So another question of Ariba Qureshi again. How was Imad Irfani's working experience with Saba Qamar in Cheek? ये मेरा भी question था, मैं भी पूछना चाह रही थी. Saba Qamar के साथ काम करने का कैसा experience था? Overall Cheek.
I think experience, जो भी experience आप life में करते हो, वो आपको कुछ ना कुछ सिखाता है. You learn from it, you move on, and obviously, I believe progress comes from good judgment. Good judgment comes from experience, and experience comes from making mistakes. So जो भी आप गलतियां करते हो, उनको आप देखते हो, analyze करते हो और आगे बढ़ते हो. चीख का experience अच्छा था, script strong था, बहुत बड़ी cast थी, हर actor, हर artist जो था अपनी नौयत में बहुत important था. सबा के साथ मेरे जो scenes थे वो बहुत कुछ dramatic थे, कुछ subtle थे, कुछ बहुत vulnerable भी होना था हम दोनों को. So in the larger scheme of things, we had to be very vulnerable. So it was like a duet. जिस तरह लड़का और लड़की एक duet गाना करते हैं. So the experience was good. She's a very seasoned, very experienced, and a very, very manji actress. And then I had to also work a lot harder.
Yeah.
I had to up my game also. I'm a big believer that excellence can never come without labor. You have to keep on working hard, keep on working hard, keep on working hard. That's how excellence is achieved. So I think there was a lot of hard work by everyone in the team involved, and it showed, I guess. वो चीज नजर भी आई. तो बहुत अच्छा experience था. Overall, Badr Mahmood, the director, उनके साथ भी, and जो ये intense scenes थे, इनको as actors we create illusions. I mean that circumstances या वो situation असल में नहीं होती, लेकिन you have to create that. So I think it takes experience, or I did it to the best of my ability. Saba did it to the best of her ability, and the results have shown that audience accepted it.
बिल्कुल like actually yeah. Tell me something Imad कि after Cheek आपने कोई और नहीं किया? What's your उसके बाद की क्या journey थी?
मैं हमेशा से क्वालिटी को बहुत तरजीह देता हूँ और क्वांटिटी. So उसके बाद कुछ चीजें आई जो कि मुझे इतनी इंस्पायर नहीं की, और अक्टूबर में बिग बैंग जो कि same producers of Cheek, they pitched me something that inspired me. That was जो character था वो बहुत shades वाला था. यानी मुझे वो characters करने में मजा आता है जो कि challenging हो, जो कि मुझे अपने comfort zone से बाहर लेके जाएं, क्योंकि वो conducive होता है मेरी growth as an artist. और डायरेक्टर आबिस रजा, जब मेरी उनसे कॉल पे बात हुई तो मुझे लगा कि ये बहुत पैशनेट और एंथुसियास्टिक है अपने काम और स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में. प्लस मेरी बहुत अच्छी रैपिड बन चुकी हुई थी बिग बैंग के साथ, बिकॉज आई हैड डन चीख विद देम. सो आई वांटेड टू वर्क विद देम अगेन. लीडिंग फीमेल आर्टिस्ट जो थी उसमें मिनाल खान थी और अरीबा हबीब. बहुत you can say it's a very intense love story. It ended in January. I was in Karachi, November, December, January, with spells. So Jalan iska title hai, and I think it was supposed to come on air, lekin ab I don't know what the status is.
Oh God. Okay. So no, but already agar production ho gayi hai, like shooting sab khatam ho gayi hai.
हर चीज हो गई है. हर चीज हो गई है.
Okay. Chalo, great. Because this is what we were also discussing the other day. We were like, एक time पे production अगर नहीं हो रही for 3 months for all this lockdown and everything. So फिर new dramas कैसे होगे and all that. But yes, of course, अगर कुछ backlog में पड़े हुए हैं जिनकी production खत्म हो चुकी है and then they're just in their final edits. So maybe
Hmm.
editor तो it's just one-on-one जिसने काम करना है, so maybe they can still continue and keep on finishing that project. Let's hope so.
Yes, फरा लेकिन एक चीज आई थिंक एटमॉस्फेयर एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए कंड्यूसिव होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर ही अगर वॉर है, अगर वॉर हो रही है बाहर, you can't even go out of your house, it's curfew, you cannot even shake hands, you cannot I mean without being petrified go to a grocery store and all. So I don't know अगर इसके अंदर नई रिलीजेस इतना काम करेंगी कि नहीं करेंगी, because people entertainment I think is a luxury. It's a luxury because people want to get their minds off their work, people want to be entertained, they want to watch people who they get inspired by. So I don't know अब नए जो we all are in a catch-22 situation, हमें नहीं पता कि क्या रिस्पॉन्स होगा ऑडियंस का किसी भी नई चीज की तरफ. So तो रिस्की है नया कंटेंट भी मेरे ख्याल से.
I never thought of it that way. Actually, आज आपने ऐसी बात की कि और मेरा उल्टा था. मैं like okay यार हम because लॉकडाउन में है तो हमें तो नई चीजें देखनी है because कितने ड्रामे नेटफ्लिक्स चीजें पड़े पर you watch it यार give you just today. Asad and I were gonna like tonight we're gonna start that Mirza Ghalib wali because हमने YouTube पे देखा and long
ये नसीरुद्दीन शाह साहब वाली के नहीं आई है कोई.
नहीं नसीरुद्दीन शाह.
Oh wow, that's
I watched it about
iconic role है उनका.
Yeah, 25 years back देखी थी and अब we like चलो like we both were like let's watch this because अब ये ना कि अब वो नए और वो सब खत्म होते जा रहे हैं, you know सब कुछ ऐसा देख रहे हो आप रोजाना बैठ के सुबह शाम या दोपहर को whatever, so now like चलो अब ये देख लेते हैं. तो इसी तरह में अगर कुछ नया आएगा so I know थोड़ा वो होगा, कुछ को अच्छा लगेगा कुछ को depending on who's in what situation also.
Yeah, because हमारा जो काम है बड़ा वो psychological है. I mean, you cannot control the minds of the audience. वो किसी को accept करती है, किसी को नहीं करती. उसी तरह वो किसी project या किसी commercial को accept करती है, किसी को नहीं करती. तो in these times, I don't know उनका thought process क्या चल रहा है, वो accept करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे.
I know. I think audience से बहुत जल्दी हम पूछेंगे कि भी audience आप बताएं कि क्या हो. Okay, so this is Kumail Akhtar. Yeah, he's asking you how are you bro, and he's saying it in a way as if he knows you, so he wants you to take his name. Kumail.
Hey Kumail, how are you doing? And I'll also say it in a way that I know you also.
Okay, so new project किसी ने पूछा था, I think उसका हमने reply अभी कर दिया है. Any tips on healthy eating? Please tell. They're all asking you. And there's one more question. Imad Bhai, I'm a fan, especially your personality apart from acting. So, okay. So this is just a compliment. Okay. Healthy eating के लिए.
Healthy eating बस ये है कि कोशिश करेंगे 70-75% you take good intake and 20-25% give yourself the leverage to have whatever you want to have. Because